To recharge your best card is very easy. Simply visit this website. The Hafilat online services, also known as hafilat.derb.ae. Once you open the website, simply click Recharge Card. It will redirect you to the page as shown here, where you need to enter your card number. The card number is available at the back of your Hafilat card. And remember to type it correctly without making any mistakes. Once you are done, click OK, and it will take you to this page where you'll see all the details about your card, like the expiry date, how much balance you have in your card, plus the card number itself. You have to click the drop-down menu in order for you to recharge this card. There are many options starting from 10 to 100. Choose the amount you need and immediately the product will be added to your basket. Click to view your basket and cross-check and see that you have entered the right amount. Proceed with entering your email address, which is compulsory, and then click payment. You will be redirected to the payment page, and you can pay with debit cards and credit cards, plus other payment methods like Pay-it, Samsung Pay, and Apple Pay. Input your payment card details. Enter the OTP that will be sent to the mobile phone or email address that is registered to your payment card. And then click Submit. Your transaction status will be updated within a few seconds, and you will receive this message once your payment has been successfully accepted. This is fairly a very easy process that will save you a lot of time. And if you believe this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.